In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix Vanguard error code VAN193 in League of Legends. So I only have two simple solutions for you to try. The first solution, you need to make sure that your graphics card drivers are up to date. So for you to update your graphics drivers, all you have to do is just to go on your Windows icon, type in Device Manager. Once you open up the Device Manager, you need to go under Display Adapters. Right-click and click on Update Driver. You have to select Search Automatically for Drivers. I've already updated mine, so I don't need to do this again. So just select it and then it will automatically update your graphics drivers. Restart your computer and then relaunch League of Legends. Hopefully the error will be gone. And if you're still facing the same error, you can try the second solution. The second solution is to uninstall the Riot Vanguard. So all you have to do is just to reinstall it. For you to reinstall it, just have to uninstall it. Just click on your Windows icon and then go onto your control panel. Then select on Uninstall a Program. Search for the program Riot Vanguard and then uninstall it. After you've done that, relaunch the League of Legends for it to prompt the Riot Vanguard reinstallation. Once it then installs the program, just restart your computer. Those are the two simple solutions you can do to try to fix the error code VAN193 in League of Legends.